Well, here over the next 3-4 minutes, I am breaking down everything to do with Beryl. Right now, Beryl is a tropical storm with winds of 60 miles per hour. And you can see it's expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane and make landfall somewhere between Corpus Christi, Texas and Houston, Texas. Here's that cone of uncertainty. The center of Beryl could be anywhere between these two blue lines. And notice the track, it moves inland in Texas, curves to the north and east, and will move directly over Arkansas. That cone of uncertainty does get a little bit wider, so that center of the tropical depression by the time it gets here with 25 miles an hour winds could be anywhere between northwest Arkansas and southeast Arkansas. But you can see Arkansas is in that path, and then after it's going to move up to the north and east, continuing to weaken. Forecast track, well, tomorrow, look up in Arkansas, nothing going on. We're in for another really nice day. It will be a little bit warmer, a tiny bit more humid, but overall a nice Sunday here in the natural state. Down there in the Lone Star State, not so nice as Beryl is moving closer and closer to the southern coast, eventually making landfall as a Category 1 hurricane. And then it'll move inland, and meanwhile, we're seeing some storms, non-Beryl related thunderstorms, because a cold front is going to be moving closer to Arkansas Monday afternoon. So tomorrow, nice. Monday, stormy in the afternoon. And then Tuesday, that's when the remnants of Beryl will be moving closer and closer to Arkansas. Here it is, 2 p.m., heavy rain already moving into northwest parts of the state. Very, very heavy rain, thunderstorms impacting northeast Texas, and that direction it's moving is going to continue moving directly over Arkansas. Now, the main impact, of course, heavy rain, thunderstorms, strong winds, and maybe flooding. Take a look at the forecast rain totals, anywhere between 3-6 inches of rain, and this bullseye is putting it in western Arkansas. And I've looked at a lot of computer models, most of them showing them in western Arkansas. But like I said, it could change. That cone of uncertainty was covering the whole state. So stay tuned, continue checking back with us. We might see this rain shift either further west or further east. And now I'm talking a lot about Beryl, and it's for good reason. A tropical depression or the remnants of a hurricane moving over Arkansas is extremely rare. You have to go all the way back to 2020, the busiest Atlantic hurricane season on record. We saw 31 named storms, and yes, 2 of them moved over Arkansas. The first was Cristobal, and then the second was Laura. Laura was a big deal. It was actually still a tropical storm when it went over Arkansas, and it caused a lot of impacts, flooding, but also tornadoes. That's another impact from the remnants of tropical systems that we watch for here in Arkansas. Laura spawned 8 tornadoes, and typically the tornadoes spawned by the remnants of hurricanes are quick, they're weak, and that's mainly what we saw. We saw a bunch of EF0s in northeast Arkansas, but we did see an EF2. So severe weather is also something that we're going to be watching very closely when the remnants of Beryl get here somewhere between Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. That's a lot. And that's a lot of dangerous weather. So you need to be weather aware. Download the Arkansas Storm Team app for the latest videos. I'm updating it with exclusive app videos every day. Other meteorologists are as well. Has great interactive radar. And one feature on that interactive radar is the tropical tracks. I took a screenshot of this just before the newscast, and it shows exactly what I just showed you.